Today. Oh my God, what is that?
So guys, nasa loob tayo ng bus ngayon. Kung kahapon ay nasa labas tayo, nasa likod tayo, ngayon nasa loob naman tayo. Kasi tabay ulit natin si Kristanis. Hi guys, so nasa LRC na ako sa CW. Second group pa lang kami kasi wala pang same up. You guess this.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, nasa taas na ulit ako. Oh guys, sino tayo sa room namin? Walang tao. Aray ko, sakit. Let's go na gulang ko ng katakot-ako guys. May mga
A few moments later.
Today. Oh my God!
So guys, hindi namin na-clutch yung VE namin guys. Pero na-clutch yung sayang. Guys, naka 1 point lang kami. Hi guys, so pauwi na kami. Hindi pa rin kami makapunta guys. Hindi namin na-clutch. Hindi na. Wellness sila guys, wellness.
Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear the
Today. Oh my God, what is that?
Guys, so nakauwi na ako kanina and kakagising ko lang natulog kasi ako agad eh. So kakain na ako ngayon yung food ko. So what I learned today is that hindi basihan na kapag hindi ka naka-recite or hindi mo na-defend something in school, di ibig sabihin nun na hindi ka na matalino or bobo ka. It's just there's a particular reason for it. Maybe you're not familiar with it, or you're just too shy to speak for yourself. So ayun lang yung ano ko is that that we don't have to invalidate ourselves na hindi naman tayo matalino or hindi tayo deserving ng recognition. So ayun lang po guys.
Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile.